36 District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, talking, walking, driving, smoking, eating. When your name is called, please unmute your device and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
What, Mr. Siroki? What are we doing with Ms. Russell?
Excuse me, who is that?
Megan Russell, what are we doing with her case? Because she has a state matter also that Ms. Cole probably needs to look at.
Let me see. She told me she had, let me find my notes on her.
I'll just call it. Never mind. All right,
Okay.
this is-
Oh, man. Hold on a second.
I'll just call it. This is.
All right, I'm trying to find her on my. Okay, here she is. Yeah, I don't have. She was supposed to complete a course, she indicated, and she's completed that course. And she said she was instructed by Your Honor that these matters would be resolved. I think she expects them to be dismissed.
Well, the offer is drag racing.
Her offer is drag racing?
Yes.
Okay, Miss Russell, you're muted. I'm thinking you're
I
gonna plead
also
not
wasn't
guilty
drag
and proceed
racing
now.
the last time I was in court, she told me that my offer would not be drag racing and that I had to complete a course, a basic driver improvement course, and present the paper the next time I came back to court, and the matter would be resolved.
Talk to Ms. Horn. We need to talk to Ms. Horn about that.
Judge, may we do Willie Raines next? He said he have an internship or something to attend to at 10 o'clock.
Sure.
I'm ready on Mr. Raines, Your Honor.
This is the versus Willie, is it William or Willie? Willie Raines.
It's Willie Raines.
This says Winter Raines.
I was looking at.
I don't know if he got the right.
Yeah. Here you go.
All right, this is the people versus Willie Raines. Ticket number U60316121, count 1. Looks like it's offered to engage another for an act of prostitution. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Alan Sroki, P37441, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
Willie Raines.
Your Honor, Mr. Raines indicates to me that he already pled to disorderly conduct in this matter. And he's before the court now, I guess, on some type of a review.
Yes, he was supposed to pay $200, do the HIV STI testing and complete the misdemeanor morality course.
Okay. Do you need more time to do that, Mr. Raines, to
Well,
provide?
no, I completed the course. I took the HIV testing. I went down to the court to 36th District to pay the $200, and they said that I had a warrant out for my arrest, so I couldn't pay it. So now I'm back in court. They rescheduled me a court date. Now I'm in front of you.
Yeah, because it looks like you were supposed to come back. Must have missed the day.
I did. I tried to log in and I could, and I went to several different Zoom meetings and I could not. They told me that they didn't have me on the roster.
Okay, so this is what we'll do. I'll give you a day for 2 weeks, which will give you time to make the payment. Yeah, but you can look at it.
Yeah, well, I can do that now.
Can you make the payment today? Mr. Rain?
N- no, I can't make it today.
No, he can't make it. U 60316121. So I give you to November 28th.
Okay,
Make it by then this will be closed out.
okay, I don't have to come back to court?
Yes, you do. You have to come back on November 28th at 8:35.
Okay, I'll go down and make that payment before then.
Right, make the payment. And then we'll verify that you've done everything else that was asked of you, and then this will be closed out.
So what do I need to do as far as, do I need to get paperwork from the hospital, the doctor?
You need to, do you have the proof that you completed the testing?
No, I just went down and took it, and I guess they put it in the computer. I guess I can go down and ask them for the paperwork.
Yeah, you need to have some kind of proof that you completed the testing. And what about the misdemeanor morality course? Did you take that too?
Yeah, and they told me they would send that to my judge. You guys, they didn't send it to you?
Okay,
I thought that stuff usually go through Ms. Green.
we'll call Ms. Gray, we'll call to verify that you completed that.
Did he
Okay.
check Ms.
Did you talk to a Ms. Green
Greenwich? Greenwich is a basic.
or not Ms. Green, who?
Greenwich.
Brimage, did you talk to probation officer Brimage?
I don't have a probation officer.
No, you do.
You need to call. Because everything has to be verified.
Here, you need to call this number. You have a pen?
I have a probation officer?
You
I'm confused. I'm totally confused. Hold up.
Right?
Okay, let me get a pen. So I'm on probation?
That's non-reporting, but yes.
I'm confused. All right.
313-965-3141.
965-141.
3141.
I'm sorry, can you repeat that, ma'am?
313-965-3141.
Okay, and what's the name?
Brimage, Brimage, probation officer Brimage.
How long am I on probation for?
Well, it was up to the last date that you missed.
So now I'm on probation till the 28th?
No, you had to complete those things. And then when you came back on the next date, if you had completed those things, it would have been closed out, but you missed the date. So then you got an arraignment, then you got a bench warrant for your arrest. So now
Okay.
you're back on the arraignment on the bench warrant. But if you had completed everything and came back on the last date that I got you, it would have been done with everything.
I came back, but I could not get into the.
Okay. Well,
Okay.
Mr. Raines, I'll give you the phone number to call, okay?
Okay.
Call the number. Come back on November 28th at 8:35.
Okay.
Ross that.
All right. Thanks.
Mr. Spector, are you ready?
Ready, Your Honor.
Get that. I'm confused. Let me log out of this thing.
What case you are, Mr. Spector?
I'm here, Your Honor, on Arthur Daniels, Arthur Dennis, and I've had a chance to speak with the prosecutor, and we've been able to settle this case.
All right, this is the people versus Arthur Dennis. Ticket number X4109444, count one, speeding 6 to 10 over. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Howell Cole on behalf of the people, P31888, and Trooper Dane Smith is also present.
Eric Spector on behalf of Arthur Dennis, P45163.
Trooper Smith, can you say your name, please?
Trooper Dane Smith, Michigan State Police, Metro South Post.
Thank you. Is there an offer on this case or how we proceed?
Your Honor, I did have a chance to discuss this with the trooper, and he's willing to amend the charge to impeding blockading. If there's a
So with that,
responsible plea.
Yes, Your Honor. I am authorized on behalf of Arthur Dennis to admit responsibility to the impeding blockading, and we'd like to plead responsible for that.
Do you stipulate to the face of the ticket, Mr. Spector?
Yes.
All right, the court will amend the count to blockading. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's a $175 fine that is due on November 23rd.
Thank you, Your Honor. Just tell my client to go online and pay it. Is that correct?
Say that one more time.
Just go on. He's able to pay that online. Is that correct, Your Honor?
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Mr. Soroki, yes, they both checked in. Ms. Cole?
Yes, Your Honor.
There also is a Megan Russell who has a no ops on person. It's a state offense. Did you want the case number?
Yes, please.
X3829277. There's also a civil infraction.
It's just a no ops.
It's no, I don't know if the civil infraction is in default, but it's 25 plus over. And she also has another ticket, that city, which is reckless driving and no insurance. She was told that if she completed the driver's training course, this was in July. But if she completed that, then she would get this Warren wrote her off of drag race.
I kind of like to take a look at this ticket.
She did.
She did complete the driver's training?
That's what she indicated. Have you shown, do you have proof that you completed it, Ms.
Yes,
Russell?
it's right here.
Was this particular state ticket after you received the? Well, I wonder if could I go in a breakout room maybe with Attorney Soroki?
Yes, that's fine, but also, Judge, on Terrence Ray, he's up for trial today and he's ready to go. He has valid docs for his no license,
Okay.
no
We'll bring
operator's
him out.
license and no insurance,
Okay, we'll bring out the officers.
right?
We'll do that real quickly. I know, but come on
Trooper just wants to make sure we're all good. Till he
now. You're all
locked up.
set, Trooper Dane Smith, you're all set, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much. You have a nice day, Your Honor.
You too. All right, let me do Terrence Ray really quickly. This is People versus Terrence Ray, ticket number P1328213, count one. No insurance misdemeanor. Count two, expired place. Ticket number P1240874, count one, does display valid operator's license not on person. And, oh no, I think it's those are charged. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, Alan Soroki, P374441, appear on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Terrence Ray. What's your name for the record, sir?
Good morning, Terrence Ray.
Okay, Corporal Rule, can you say your name, please?
Corporal Jeremy Roll, badge 3896.
Officer
please.
Lord, can you say your name, please?
Good morning, Officer Jason Lord, badge 4540.
Thank you.
Your Honor, in this matter, Mr. Ray has forwarded to me by email his driver's license, which he has a CPL and he drives for the city of Detroit, he indicates. And he also forwarded to me his insurance on his current car. And that car, he no longer has a prior car. Is that correct, Mr. Ray?
Yeah, I gave you the insurance papers for the BMW that I got the stop in. But once that car broke down, I've transferred the insurance policy over to my other car.
Okay, so
I haven't seen any paperwork.
here, I can email it to whomever. I just need an email address. Excuse me? You can put it in the chat if you like.
Yes. Yes.
Because he's still, his other car is still expired and still saying no insurance.
Yeah, it's not running anymore.
Do you have it, Mr. Ray?
Yes, ma'am.
Put it up to the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
I'd like to see a registration so I can run a plate to see if it says N for no and yet 5 for yes.
The charge is no insurance misdemeanor. The expired plates is in default. So it's only the no insurance misdemeanor.
Right, and then if I run SOS on it, it would tell me if it had insurance or no insurance. The Secretary of State would have updated it.
Okay, do you have the insurance, Mr. Ray?
Yes, I do. I have insurance. I have the same policy.
You can
Put it up to the screen. Can you put it up to
Oh.
the screen so I can see it?
Yeah, I don't have the actual paperwork with me. I sent it to the attorney.
Here.
And it was a screenshot.
I can put it up to the screen now. I can print it and put it up to the screen. Hold on a second.
Well, I mean, have you seen it, Mr. Soroki?
Yes, I've seen the insurance and his license.
I would
Was
like
his
to see a
insurance valid?
registration so I can run a plate to see if it's updated in the Secretary of State. If it is,
But
then we're good.
But Corporate Rule, the only charge is no insurance.
Right.
That's what's up today.
How long ago did he get this policy?
4-6.
The Secretary of State would have updated their system to saying they had insurance or not, just like anyone else's car. My car says Y for yes, N for no.
Yeah, I understand exactly what you're saying. I had the insurance for the BMW. I gave him that policy since that BMW broke down, because this was back in 21.
Well, okay, what I'm concerned about is the insurance. That's what I'm concerned about.
Okay.
Yeah, I
Because
still
the
have.
expired plate, hold on, the expired plate is in default. So you gotta pay for that anyway. It's in default. So
Okay.
the misdemeanor that's up for today is no insurance. Mr. Soroki, as an officer of the court, did you in fact see that he has valid insurance?
Yes, he has valid insurance on his current car.
Okay.
All right, so with that, you stipulate the probable cause, and you saw his license. As an officer of the court, you saw his driver's license,
Yes,
and it's valid.
I can't tell you if it's valid or not. He has a CPL. I would think it's valid.
We'll run it.
Is that okay to do that?
Thank you. Oh, now y'all gotta have this stuff together.
Yeah. I already read it.
Oh.
Yes.
Hold on, we're running it, Mr. Ray.
Okay. Would, Your Honor, would you like me to pull up my policy number for my insurance?
I'm sorry?
Would you like me to go?
No, I don't need nothing else.
Okay.
His license is valid. So with that, the court will dismiss the no insurance and the fail to display. You're still responsible for the expired plate.
Yes, ma'am.
That's a civil infraction, so you gotta pay for that. It won't close out until you pay it.
Okay.
You're all set, Mr. Ray.
Okay, thank you. Good morning.
All right, thank you, Corporal Officer.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank
See you later, officer.
Judge, can we do Felipe Dawson? He's a city worker and he's at work.
This is the people
Ready.
versus Felipe Dawson. Ticket number P127584, count one, loud music from motor vehicle more than 10 feet. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Yes.
Felipe Dawson.
One second, sir. Alan Strokey, P37441, appear on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record.
Felipe Dawson.
Yes. Mr. Dawson, you wish to accept the offer of the prosecution of 3-month delayed sentence on your disorderly conduct charge. Is that correct?
Yes.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Dawson. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Soroki in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will,
Yes.
pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial,
Yes.
and knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Direct your attention to the date of November 17, 2021 at 7:56 PM. On that date and time, were you at near Grand River and West Elder Drive in the city of Detroit?
No.
Were you
Yes.
in a 1998 GMC vehicle?
Yes.
And did you have loud music from the motor vehicle that could be heard more than 10 feet away?
Yes.
You're satisfied, Mrs. Soroki?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the court's also satisfied the factual basis will accept the admission. Because this is a 3-month delayed sentence, you're gonna have a $200 fine that is not due till February 8th, 2023, which is also gonna be your next court date at 8:35. You cannot get any more tickets, no citations, so essentially no further police contact. If you do all that, no further police contact, you pay the $200 fine, you come back on February 8th at 8:35, this will be dismissed off your record. You understand?
Okay.
Any questions, sir?
No.
You're all set. Good luck to you.
All right.
All right, this is the people versus Dennis Reed, ticket number U50558519, count one. No city of Detroit business license required at each location. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Yes. Alan Strokey, P37441, appear on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
Dennis Reed.
Yes, Your Honor. The prosecutor said she would set this matter for trial and send out a city inspector prior to trial date. Take a look at the business, see if it's still open or not.
Recommendation. Oh, I see. Okay. So what do you want to do? Set this for, what do you want to,
Set-
do you want to set?
We can set it for a we can set it for a trial. And in the meantime, they're gonna send out someone to the building and see if they have any changes of their offer.
Raise your bench trial. You want to set it for a bench trial?
Would you like a trial by bench, sir, by the judge?
Yes.
Raise your right hand. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand up. You understand you have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
All All right, the court's gonna continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial for December 9th at 9 o'clock. You're all set.
Thank you.
This is the people versus Anton Davenport, ticket number P1285730, count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name first.
I'm sorry.
You're Alan Sroki, appearing, Your Honor. I didn't speak to Mr. Antoine Davenport that I know of.
Mr. Davenport, do you have your insurance?
No, I don't even have a car no more.
All right, so the offer is in proper place. If you pleaded that, that is no point. You'll likely have, you're gonna have a $200 fine.
Okay.
Or you, what do you wanna do?
I'll pay the $200 fine.
Or you can set it for trial if you want.
No, I just want to resolve this matter.
All right, raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm the other hand?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm holding phone. I'm sorry.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I swear.
You say yes?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You had an opportunity to speak to the court with Mr. Soroki present about your case and your right.
No, I haven't spoken to him.
You just had a conversation like literally less than 10 seconds ago with the court about your case and your right.
But I want to pay the $200.
I understand there's a process though. Did you have a conversation with myself, with the attorney present about this case and your rights? Did you have that conversation? It wasn't very long, but it was a conversation.
Yes.
All right, has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I'm going to direct your attention to November 30th, 2021 at 5:42 p.m. Another date and time where you at or near East Davidson and East McNichols in the city of Detroit.
Yes.
You driving a 2006 Chevrolet vehicle.
Yes.
Did you not have insurance on that vehicle?
Yes.
You're satisfied, Mr. Soroka?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the court's also satisfied with factual basis, will accept the admission, will proceed, will amend the count to improper place, and will proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine. Can you have the fine paid by December 9th?
Yes.
Any questions?
No.
You're all set, sir.
So my next court date, December 9th?
No, you're done. You don't have to come back to court. Just pay the fine.
All right, thank you.
Well, all right, Ms. Russell, we're still waiting to talk to the other prosecutor for the drag racing. I have Devontae DeRico. This is the people versus Devontae DeRico. Ticket number P1239959, count one, drove on license not valid or improper license, count two, no insurance misdemeanor, count three, improper plate. Ticket number P1155433, count one, improper plate. Ticket number P1155210, count one, failed to display valid operator's license not on person, count two, no insurance misdemeanor, count three, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Ticket number 207064445, count one, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count two, drove on license not valid or improper license. Count three, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Yes. Good morning, Your Honor. Alan Soroki, appearing on behalf of the defendant. What's your name for the record, sir?
Devontae Derrico.
Yes. Your Honor, the defendant wishes to have to offer the prosecution. He will be pleading to 3 tickets, dismissing 7 tickets, or 8 tickets. The 3 tickets he'll be pleading to are the SP 1239959, counts 1, 2, and 3. and those will be pled to as charged. The remaining tickets will all be dismissed.
All right, let's raise your right hand, Mr. Dorico. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Soroki in private about your case and your rights.
Yes, ma'am.
Does anyone threaten you or promise you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
I'm sorry, it was breaking up.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, do you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I want to direct your attention to the date of August 18, 2021 at 3:16 p.m. On that date and time where you had in your Evergreen and Jeffries in the city of Detroit.
Yes.
Were you driving a 2009 Ford vehicle?
Yes.
Were you driving while your license is not valid or improper?
Yes.
Did you not have insurance on that vehicle?
No.
And were the plates improper on that vehicle?
Yes.
You're satisfied, Mr. Soroki?
Yes, Your Honor.
The court is also satisfied with the factual basis. Will accept the admissions. You stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed. Mr. Soroki, do you stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed?
Yes, Your Honor.
They're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's going to be a fine total of $400. So I'll do $200 for two of the counts that you made admissions to. I'll waive the fine to the third count. Can you have it paid by December 9th?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any questions?
No.
You are all set, sir. Good luck to you.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. So as far as, yeah, we're still waiting on Ms. Horn, Mr. You're on, we're still waiting on Ms. Horn as to Megan Russell. They get an offer from Ms. Cole. She's gonna dismiss the ticket, the no ops ticket. But you're still, I guess, trying to see if you can get a better offer than the drag race. Yes, this morning.
Can I ask a question, please?
Push back in the breakout room, you can ask your lawyer. Let's go back into your breakout room.
So did I complete did I complete this course for no reason?
No, you just got one of your cases dismissed because you completed the course.
Okay.
But if you want to do, you have a number of tickets. You're trying to resolve all.
Oh, Mr. Soroki, could you go in and do breakout room 13? Because the interpreter been here all morning, so we can get rid of
Okay, I'm sorry. No
13.
problem.
And Judge,
Ms. Russell back in the waiting room.
Ms. Russell, please tap your screen and rejoin your room, and Mr. Soroki will be there to talk with you.
Okay. Which room am I joining?
It should, okay, let me do this. Where are you, Miss Russell, Megan, in room 4? I'll move you.
Okay.
Miss, when he comes back, we can do Keisha Russ, because I don't think the officer showed up for that. And we can do Jag.
Keisha Rush and who else?
Jag. Oh, here, let me bring out, Ms. A. The officer didn't show up.
Want me to bring out Ms. Rush right now?
No, we'll wait till Mr. For the lawyer.
Okay, Ms. Rush, and you said one more other person.
You got it. Ms. Aycock?
Good morning.
Good morning, how are you? All right, this is the people versus Michael Daggett, ticket number X41034424, count 1, speed freeway 25 miles per hour over, 25 miles per hour over. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Good morning, Leslie Aycock on behalf of defendant Daggett.
All right, this matter was set for trial at 9 o'clock, it's 10:23, sorry. An officer is present, do you have a motion to take up?
Yes, we would ask for dismissal.
This matter is dismissed without prejudice, if time is all set, thank you for your patience.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Have a good day, you and your staff.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.